Today we are unboxing our latest outdoor watch, Fortress. ABS case, hardened mineral glass, and a durable TPU strip. Dual display design with analog hands and digital clarity. Watch time, stopwatch, countdown, alarms, and LED backlight. Five ATM water resistance, rugged, functional, and ready for adventure. Today we are welcoming clients from Algeria. They are especially interested in our diving watch collection, getting everything ready for the product presentation. Meeting room is all set, ready to discuss products and the future cooperation. Another busy week of shipments, orders going out, weeks wrapped up.